Today, Sarah and I are gonna make some bomboloni or donuts with brioche dough. Let's dust the surface of our table and then place the dough right on here. I'm gonna loosen it up and drop it on the table. And here it comes out. We're gonna get the excess out from this bowl and add it right to here. Wow, this is gonna be some rich treat doing it with the brioche dough. With the help of this rolling pin, we're gonna roll it out to just the perfect thickness, and then we're gonna cut it out into nice circles. Some of them we'll make into ciambelle, so this is gonna be for the donuts, and some of them will be the donut and we'll cut out the center for ciambelle. So here we go. We're gonna take this, dip it into a bit of flour, and begin cutting out. Here's our first one. Now, when I was a kid, we used to go to the beach in the summertime, and vendors would come by while kids were sitting on the beach with their families, and they had these trays where they would carry bomboloni. So they would come by, and the kids knew what was coming, and they would yell out very loudly. They would yell out, "Bomboloni e cocco!" So on one part of the tray they would have wedges of coconut, and then also these hot donuts. And then they would keep yelling and saying, "Bambini piangete," children cry, trying to convince the parents, if they cried, to buy them a donut. The most tragic thing that could happen is when the parents finally did buy un bombolone, when it would fall in the sand. And oh, that was horrible, to have that gritty sand right between your teeth trying to save the bombolone. Now here we have some wonderful dough trays. They're small enough to actually fit in the refrigerator, which is absolutely wonderful, even for bread. And so we're gonna place them right in here. We're gonna dust them just a bit with flour. So we're gonna place them right in here so they can rise. And of course, this is not the traditional way to make bomboloni. We wanted to try them out with some brioche dough. Almost forgot, one tray we're gonna cut out into ciambelle. Just like so. And now we will stack them, cover them up, and allow them to rise. We just gathered the rest of the dough together, and with this, we're gonna make some cinnamon rolls. Today we decided to use the pizza e cucina, and as you know, the fire is below, and we already have the pot with the oil above heating up, and it's at the perfect temperature. We checked it with our little thermometer. And so we can get started. Let's see what's needed. We have a basket where we put some carta assorbente, which is kind of an absorbent paper, and that will get off the excess grease. Then here we have the sugar. We could dip the donuts right in here, but then the sugar would get too greasy, so we're just gonna put a little bit in here and dust them with it. The oil is at around 365 degrees Fahrenheit, and these guys are going in. You don't want to overcrowd it, just because we don't want the oil to cool down too fast. Now we're going to flip them and allow them to fry on the other side. Again, the aroma coming from here is amazing. And here they are coming out. They're being placed on the carta assorbente. And The excess oil will come off, and then we're ready for the next batch. Once again, the next batch goes in, and boy does it smell good. So we found a little trick to put some shade on here so it's not so blown out looking. But these guys are ready to come out as well. So we're gonna put some sugar right in here and then take our bomboloni and kind of roll it right into the sugar. And this is how we do them in Italy. Let's get the next one and these. Oh, they're so good. We're gonna fill these with Nutella, but you can also fill them with crema pasticcera. But today we didn't have any ready. And now the ciambelle. There you go in as well. And then we also have some little teeny munchkins that we can place in there as well. Wow, are these gonna be delicious. Flip them. And they can brown on the other side as well. Almost ready to come out. Our ciambelle can come out. We'll just let the excess oil drip off before we put them on the carta sorbente. And so here we go. We're gonna do the last ones. They're nice and hot, and you have to do this while they're hot so the sugar sticks. And bet you wish you were right here with us, because we are going to eat some of these and then share some of them. And now for the best part. I'm gonna pick this one, insert this tip right inside, and then fill it with Nutella. Oh my, look at this. This will be delicious. Now you could also fill them with crema pasticcera, but we don't have any right now, so let's do another one. Put it in, press and fill it with this incredible goodness. I'm gonna open one of them up, check and see what it looks like inside. And oh yes, buon appetito.